Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will provide instructions on how to customize page layouts, modify field properties, and add field valuations to page buttons. Within DecisionLender, each loan type and page combination has its own layout. This will define the orientation and placement of widgets, buttons, and content on a page. Customizing page layouts. Each page layout starts with DecisionLender's predefined layout. To customize your layout, you may add, rearrange, or remove widgets and fields, or modify field properties. Both standard and custom objects can be utilized when customizing your page layout. If adding custom objects, they must be first added to the object model. To access page layouts, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. On the sidebar menu, click on the Customize tab. Click on the Page Layouts subtab. Select a page from the drop-down that you would like to customize. Select the loan type. Click on the Show Object Model button. Within the Widgets drop-down, select the type of widget you would like to add. The types of widgets used to customize page layouts are panel, 1, 2, 3, or 4-column widgets, empty cell, label, HTML content, e-sign, and calculator. How to add a panel. A panel is a placeholder with a title and can hold anything inside. Panels are used to create unique sections on a page. You may choose to place additional widgets into a panel. All widgets and fields inserted should relate to the panel description. Drag and drop panel wherever you would like it to display on the page. The green line will show where you are dropping the widget. You may then add widgets and fields. Click on the blue gear icon to add the panel name. Enter the name in the Label of this field box. How to add or delete a one-column widget. A one-column widget will create a row with one column. Drag and drop one-column widget where you would like it to display. Note: the green line will show you where you are dropping the widget. You may add additional one-column widgets by repeating this step. Close the object model. To delete a widget or panel, click on the trash can icon. How to add or delete 2, 3, and 4-column widgets. A 2, 3, or 4-column widget will divide the space into 2, 3, or 4 evenly divided columns. From the Customize Page Layout section, click on the blue Show Object Model button. For this example, we will select 4 columns widget and drag it into the desired panel. Expand the Application section to select the fields you would like to see in the 4 columns. Drag and drop the fields in the columns as you would like them to appear. Close the Object Model window when completed. To delete a widget or panel, click on the trash can icon. Page layout versioning. Each page layout starts with DecisionLender's predefined layout. The version name starts with a V and includes the time and date stamp of the latest default layout modified by TCI. The version of your page layout is tied to the application workflow for that loan type. Selecting Save as New will create a new page layout, adjusting the version number and updating the time and date stamp. Selecting the Update button will update the current version you are working on, but will not change the version number or time and date stamp. Any changes made to the layout will only impact new applications going forward. If you want to restore a previous version of a page layout, select the version from the drop-down. And click on Save as New. How to add fields to a page layout. Standard and custom fields can be dragged and dropped from the object model into existing or newly created widgets. When adding fields to your selected layout, you should group related fields together. From the Customize Page Layout section, locate where the new fields should be added on the page. Click on the blue Show Object Model button and search for the object name. For this example, we will add Tire and Wheel Fee to our Fee section. Note, you do not need to know the exact object name. Type a word in the search box, and all objects that contain that name will appear. Drag and drop the field to the section. You may now modify the field properties as needed. Once completed, click Save as New. How to modify field properties on a page layout. From the Customize Page Layout section, locate the field or panel to be modified. Click on the blue gear icon. The field dialog box will display. The information on this page will be dependent on the field selected. For a complete list of field properties, please refer to the user manual. You may modify as necessary. The field label appears on the user interface and can be updated. Changes should not be made to the field name. The field name is the object name in the object model. Help text, up to 500 characters, may be added to describe what the field is being used for on the UI. Custom UI classes, if utilized, will allow you to add a formula to highlight key ratios. For more information, please see the user manual. You may put a check in this box if you would not like to allow values to be duplicated. Field validation rules allow you to verify data that a user enters. This ensures that it meets your criteria before they submit or save a page. A mask refers to a string expression that governs what is allowed to be entered in a text box. The default value field can be used to populate a field when it is first displayed to a user, or when a field is empty. Put a check in this box if a value is always required to proceed. Put a check in this box if this field is to be read-only and not editable. With the use of field expressions, you can hide panels and hide, enable, or disable custom and standard fields. You may also add conditions to make a field conditionally required, or even make read-only fields editable. For more information on field expressions and field hide expressions, please refer to the Page Layout section of the User Manual. Click on the Confirm button when completed. Click Update. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.